The changing colors of fall also mean falling leaves, and overflowing gutters won't be far behind. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned for do-it-yourself gutter cleaning solutions right after this.
Even if you're not a professional woodworker, you want to use the glue the pros use. And 3 out of 4 pro woodworkers trust Titebond as their choice. For building wood furniture or cabinets, to making picture frames or birdhouses, or just general repairs around the house, Titebond has the widest choice of glues to help with whatever project you want to tackle. Titebond, the right glue for your next project. Just ask the pros. For more information, visit Titebond.com or see them on Facebook.
No one likes cleaning gutters, especially the part where you scoop them out by hand. What if you could just spray them out with a garden hose without climbing up on the roof? Well, you can. You'll need a couple pieces of PVC pipe, 2 90-degree PVC elbows, an end cap, PVC glue, and a threaded adapter to match up with your garden hose. From one pipe, cut 2 pieces about 12 inches in length. Glue them into an elbow to form an L. Now use the other elbow to attach the L to the full piece of pipe. The threaded hose adapter goes on the other end of this piece. Drill 1 or more small holes in the cap before you glue it over the remaining open end. Now you can spray out your gutters without even setting foot on a ladder. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.